We were trying to figure out how many students are taking both a history and a science course, and of course that's the same semester or module, whatever they're in. So what you do is look at clue one, and clue one says of all the students in a class, 50 are taking history. Well, that's not all I know. 50 are taking history. I don't know anything else. I don't have a total number of students. I don't know how many are taking science. So clue one does not work. Look at clue two. Same thing. 70 are taking a science course. Remember, when you look at clue two, you've forgotten about clue one, okay? You don't use that information. So clue two, it doesn't work either. That doesn't give me enough information to figure out how many are taking both a history and a science. So now what you do is you put them both together. So I put them both together. I've got 50 taking history and 70 taking science. Is that enough information to tell me how many students are taking both a history and a science? And the answer is no. I tried statement one independently. I tried statement two independently. I tried them, and neither one of those worked. And then I tried putting them together, and that still didn't work. So my answer is E, nothing works.